now into the proper approach point. The pilots on board want to spend as little time as possible over our simulated survivors due to the Category 3 Plus hurricane mission. As our simulation unfolds, the swimmer is able to identify if the survivor is in good health wearing his life preserver. Nationally, 8 out of 10 boaters who drown in U.S. waters each year were not wearing their life jackets, and countless boaters could be saved if they wore proper flotation devices. Of course, a SAR mission, a team effort with the flight mechanic and rescue swimmer. Of course, ladies and gentlemen, the ground is a great reflector of sound. Let's make some noise for Petting Officer First Class Walt Moskal as he brings in our American flag. One of the most unique aircraft any place, the MV-22 Osprey, but now look to the left as we bring in the Black 1-2, and it's by far one of the highest. And splashdown. Now you guys will continue to work your way in, and we're going to give...
Did you sit? Good girl. Speak, come on. Good girl. Good girl. Lay down. Good girl.